Prajakta. We are from Team 2. These are my teammates Monica, Ramya, Tejaswini, Bhagya, Satish. Now we discuss about the memory organization in computer organization. We tell about the memory hierarchy. First topic. In memory hierarchy is an essential part of any computer. Memory hierarchy is here to store the information in any computer. In this memory hierarchy, there are the several types. Those are the main memory, memory, auxiliary memory.
About main memory. Main memory is used in order to communicate directly with CPU. CPU is nothing but central processing unit. Central processing unit is useful in computer. It will execute the program in CPU only. Main memory example RAM. RAM is nothing but random access memory. It will store data in computer organization. If we take any program C, C++, Java, program will store in one data that is primary memory. Main memory another type is CPU, central processing unit. This is the process of central processing unit. This computer we can use main memory, CPU.
Memory is also called as secondary memory. For example, disk is made up of hard disk is made up of metal and magnetic material. Backup process. It is a non-volatile memory. Each region has fixed head. Each region has fixed head. There are two types: unique head and fixed head. Thank you.
X is the condition of the data rather than the addressed. Also called as conditioned addressable memory. CAM, the hardware organization వచ్చేసినప్పటికీ adjustment register and దానికి పాస్ అవుతుంది key register నుంచి associative memory and array logical and numbers దానికి పాస్ అయ్యి match register organization CAM అక్కడ నుంచి ఈ మొదటి ఎగ్జామ్ మాట organization of organic cell maths logical diagram.
Fastest memory which has higher accessibility. Cache memory which fills the space between the processor and main memory. Main memory and processor, it fills the gap space between the main memory and CPU is called cache memory. Cache memory can be defined in hit ratio. The required data is called as hit, and not required and not found data is called as miss. So hit number of hits by number of attempts. Is called hit ratio. Cache memory is made up of semiconductor materials, and this is used for temporal locality and spatial locality. Cache is a fast, small capacity memory that should not hold information which is not accessible.
Memory is the program we use the program and illusion that the system has very larger memory. Even though the computer has actually relative small memory. So that is virtual memory. This is the virtual address of the memory, and that is the physical address. Even it has a large memory, it will use the illusion of this physical address. So this is virtual memory, and this is the addressing of virtual memory. So this is the virtual address registration. This is memory address table, main memory disk. So this is the physical address of the virtual memory.
So this is our presentation. Thank you one and all. If you have any doubts, please ask.